Alright guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be putting in my GrimmSpeed air intake and stealth box. So first things first, so I unplugged the MAF sensor here and unscrewed both of these bolts holding the bracket, and then obviously removed the airbox funnel that is attached to it. And then down there, can't tell if you can see it or not, but there is a screw holding in the airbox attached down there as well too. So you're just gonna need an extension, and it's another 10 millimeter. I'm gonna take that out. All right, so once you have unbuttoned all that, down below, I actually have the car lifted. I just did it that way. I just felt like it was easier. No reason to try to kill myself to get down there and stuff, but there is a bracket down there. Another 10 millimeters that you just need to unscrew, yeah, you're able to pull it out. This is what you are looking at. That's not good, but so yeah, here's your stock intake, all plastic, beautiful. And now I'm going to be taking off the MAF here. That way I can attach it to the GrimmSpeed, and then we can start the install process. So stay tuned. All right guys, so for the intake, I have it into a Perrin inlet hose for the turbo. I actually had to modify that, but as far as the mounting and such, there is a bracket for it. Everything really kind of lines up perfect. Give me 1 second. And then up here, obviously you got the box. That again fits perfectly. You got those 2 bolts there, you got 1 bolt down there, and then of course you have this I don't know, I call it the inlet, that just kind of vacuums air into the intake. Fits a little snug, but it's nice, you know, it's not going anywhere. But overall, very happy. The sounds that it makes are extremely loud. So for me, I enjoy it. I like that. So yeah, everything went really well. Pretty straightforward. So any questions, let me know below. Thanks guys.